Good evening. Hot and humid today as weather starts to feel more like summer now across the country, but sadly the heat of summer has not been accompanied by the rain we usually see this time of year. A combination of stable easterly trade winds and the shift of the SPCZ well to our north means little precipitation right now, and rainfall in the past few days has been generally low. Generally clear skies on the satellite image around Fiji, with just a few passing trade wind cumulus clouds along the windward coast and nearby hills of the main islands. The SPCZ is active over waters well north of Fiji and is having no influence whatsoever on our weather at this time. Light to moderate easterly trade winds continue over Fiji thanks to a well-established high-pressure ridge to the south over New Zealand. Warmer and more humid now as the days get longer and the oceans start to warm a little around us. Hazy skies again tomorrow, otherwise dry and sunny over the west tomorrow morning. Just the slightest risk of an afternoon shower or two later. Moderate easterly winds and afternoon sea breezes. Much the same about the north tomorrow, with no rain of any significance anticipated. Moderate to fresh east to southeast winds easing with local afternoon sea breezes. The central and eastern divisions can also expect a mix of sun and cloud tomorrow, with perhaps an early shower or two around sunrise about the windward coasts. However, most of the day will stay dry. Moderate southeast winds and afternoon sea breezes. Moderate to fresh southeasterly trade winds with moderate seas and swells. It is the season for pre-Christmas parties, and many will either be planning one or planning to attend one, and by large it is looking good. This time of the year, the risk of an afternoon shower is always there. However, right now the risk is lower than typical for December, and any showers will be brief and not especially heavy, which is not what the farmers want to hear. There are likely to be one or two parties starting this weekend, and right now weather looks okay right around the country, with no hazardous weather systems observed or forecast around Fiji for the next 4 or 5 days. For all the latest on the weekend weather, please check our webpage at NaDraki.com or our Facebook page. From the MyTV team and NaDraki, we wish you a pleasant evening.